We're already using ID as RMS. We are trialling AI automation in our response to guest reviews, and we're investigating AI for the contact centre.
Yes, watch this space. I suspect in the next 6 months we'll be there. We are using AI in terms of through operations and stuff like that via chatbots and so forth, so it's starting to come into the business.
AI has become the buzzword, and it's 2 letters, and it's kind of, I think we kind of forget that revenue management systems have existed for a long, long time. They're very common in the hotel industry, but they've been used by the airlines since back in the 1970s. And that is AI. So yes, we are using AI because we're using revenue management systems, we're using channel managers, we're using property management systems. I think from my experience and in recent times, we've been using generative AI more than I've ever done before, even for simple things like feeding a very regular job description into an AI tool and saying, sparkle this up for me, add some jazz to it, make it stand out from the crowd. And the AI tools can come back and they've turned my standard job description into something that sounds much more exciting. And that takes seconds, and that's been fantastic. And I think that's a real win, a real learning that I've had, I think, just recently, and just the simplicity of being able to use AI for something that maybe we wouldn't have thought of before.
I think the AI sort of side that we have been working with in our businesses very much around efficiencies in our processes and enabling our skilled teams to do more of what they're very skilled at and cutting out some of those day-to-day, administration tasks that really is far beyond their capability. And I think in addition to that, using AI across other functions, so we use it in marketing and across our commercial team.
Yeah, we do. Obviously we're partners with Ideas G3, so we've got a lot already built in there. Our website, we have got AI built into our website. It offers some personalised choices for our customers, which goes back to the personalised piece there. We also use it in reservations, and we're looking to bring in a lot more tools into reservations. We're just changing some of our systems in there, and then once they're in, we're going to be adding some more layers of AI and a bit more robotics into taking away sort of the frequent tasks or mundane tasks or whatever.
For me, I think AI comes, it's a power to the strategy rather than it should be, like I say, it should be powering the strategy rather than maybe changing it. It's about efficiency in data, understanding, your market trends and actually what's happening, and using that to set the strategy or validate your strategy.